replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirm to yourself that you are worthy of abundance and capable of achieving your desires. Create positive affirmations that reflect this new mindset, such as "I am capable of achieving financial success," or "I attract positive and supportive relationships." Repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce your new beliefs. Ensure your daily actions reflect your desires. If you seek financial prosperity, engage in activities that support this goal, such as budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. If you desire better health, adopt habits that promote wellness, like exercising regularly and eating nutritious foods. Your actions should be consistent with the reality you wish to create. Surround yourself with environments and people that support your goals. Create a physical space that inspires and motivates you. Spend time with individuals who encourage and uplift you, and who share a similar vision of success. These external influences play a significant role in reinforcing your alignment with your desires. Visualize your goals as already achieved and live as if they are your current reality. When you visualize, immerse yourself fully in the experience, see, feel, and hear everything as if it's happening now. This mental practice helps to align your subconscious mind with your desires, making it easier for you to act in ways that support your goals. Monitor your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Reflect on your journey and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. If you encounter obstacles, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Stay committed to your path, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to your desired reality. Alignment with your desires requires a continuous effort to harmonize your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the abundance you envision. By maintaining this alignment, you create a powerful synergy that propels you toward your goals, transforming your dreams into reality. Maintaining a consistent mental picture and feeling of abundance is essential for reinforcing and solidifying its presence in your life. This practice involves regularly engaging your imagination to vividly and consistently envision the reality you desire, ensuring that these images and emotions become deeply ingrained in your consciousness. Begin by dedicating time each day to visualize your abundant life. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax and focus without distractions. Close your eyes and create a clear, detailed mental image of the life you wish to live. See yourself enjoying the fruits of your success, surrounded by the people, experiences, and possessions that signify abundance to you. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Immerse yourself fully in this mental scene. Engage all your senses, see the vibrant colors, hear the sounds, feel the textures, smell the scents, and even taste the flavors associated with your abundant life. Allow the emotions of joy, satisfaction, and gratitude to fill your heart as you experience this reality in your mind. These feelings are crucial as they help to anchor your visualization in your subconscious. Repeat this visualization exercise consistently, ideally at the same time each day. Morning and evening are particularly effective times, as your mind is more receptive during these periods. Consistency in your practice helps to reinforce the mental image, making it more real and tangible to your subconscious mind. In addition to dedicated visualization sessions, weave your mental images of abundance into your daily activities. When you perform routine tasks, take a moment to imagine how you would do them if you were living your abundant life. For instance, as you drive to work, visualize yourself driving your dream car. As you prepare meals, imagine you are in your dream kitchen. These small, consistent reminders help to keep your vision alive throughout the day. Use affirmations to support your visualization. Create statements that encapsulate your vision of abundance, such as, "I am surrounded by wealth and prosperity," or "Abundance flows effortlessly into my life." Repeat these affirmations regularly, especially during your visualization sessions, to reinforce your mental image and align your thoughts with your desired reality. Monitor your thoughts and feelings throughout the day. Whenever you catch yourself thinking negatively or feeling doubtful, gently redirect your focus back to your vision of abundance. Remind yourself of the vivid mental images and the emotions you experienced during your visualization exercises. This practice helps to maintain a positive and consistent mental state. Record your progress and reflections in a journal. Write about your visualization experiences, the emotions you felt, and any signs of abundance you notice in your life. This practice not only tracks your journey but also reinforces your commitment to maintaining a consistent mental picture of abundance. Engage with inspiring content that supports your vision. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts that resonate with your goals of abundance. Surround yourself with positive influences that keep your imagination fueled and focused on your desired reality. By maintaining a consistent mental picture and feeling of abundance, you create a powerful and persistent resonance with your desired reality. This consistency ensures that your subconscious mind is continually aligned with your goals, making it easier for you to attract and manifest the abundance you envision. To assume success and abundance as your natural state, begin by adopting the mindset that these qualities are already an integral part of your life. This mental shift involves expecting and welcoming success and abundance in every aspect of your daily experiences. Embrace this new perspective with confidence and assurance, knowing that success is your birthright. Start each day by affirming your natural state of success. When you encounter challenges or setbacks, remind yourself of your inherent ability to overcome them and thrive. Replace thoughts of scarcity and limitation with affirmations of plenty and capability. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't afford this," reframe it to, "I am finding ways to afford everything I need and desire." Use your inner speech to express gratitude for the abundance already present in your life. Regularly acknowledge and appreciate the wealth and blessings you have, no matter how small they may seem. This gratitude reinforces your belief in the constant flow of abundance and opens you up to receive even more. Visualize your goals and desires as if they are already achieved. In your mind, engage in conversations that reflect this reality. For instance, imagine discussing your success with a friend or mentor, expressing joy and satisfaction over your accomplishments. This practice helps to solidify your belief in your prosperous state and makes it feel more real. Pay attention to the language you use in everyday situations. Choose words that reflect abundance and success. Instead of saying, "I hope I can achieve this," say, "I know I will achieve this." Such subtle shifts in language can significantly impact your mindset and the energy you project. Surround yourself with positive influences that reinforce your prosperous inner speech. Read books, listen to podcasts, and engage with content that inspires and uplifts you. Engage in conversations with people who support your vision and encourage your growth. These external inputs help to strengthen your internal dialogue of abundance. Create a habit of reflecting on your day and acknowledging moments of prosperity. Before you go to bed, review the successes and positive experiences of the day. Tell yourself that you are proud of your achievements and that more prosperity is on its way. This practice not only ends your day on a positive note but also primes your mind for a successful tomorrow. By consistently engaging in self-talk that reflects and reinforces your belief in abundance, you are programming your mind to recognize and attract prosperity. This inner speech becomes a powerful tool in shaping your reality, guiding your actions, and manifesting the wealth and success you desire. Cultivating an inner dialogue of prosperity involves transforming the way you communicate with yourself, ensuring that your thoughts and words consistently affirm the abundance in your life. This practice starts with becoming mindful of your internal conversations and deliberately shifting them to reflect a mindset of wealth and success.